Late na ako. Alauna yung pasok ko. Launa na. Okay lang. Tinanghali ako ng gising. Tanghaling tapat pero medyo gumagana na yung weather ngayon. Parang nag-start na siyang fall weather. So, ganda. So I'm gonna go shopping real quick before I go home because I'm off tomorrow and I do need some couple vegetables, fruits and snacks for tomorrow. They have so many cute stuff for little girls. This little purse is so cute for little ones. It's cute blue one. We got, oh, this is cute. Mickey Mouse. $12.98, and this one is the Stitch. So cute, and they have little different one too. They have so many cute stuff for little girls. So I'm gonna grab this one. Sadly, they don't have the green one, so I'm just gonna grab two of these. The red one and this pancit canton. I'm gonna grab two of these. So I'm gonna grab these as well. And then this one, I'm just gonna grab the 12 pack. Ito yung camera na malamang ko gagamitin pag namin vacation namin kasi sobrang lang ba, mabilis tawag dito, mabilis dalhin, maliit lang siya, so very handy na ilagay sa maliit na purse kasi maliit lang siya. So ito yung gagamitin nating camera sa darating natin na vacation soon. Ito pala yung gagamitin namin luggage. Ito lang yung dadalhin namin. Sana magkasya na lahat ng mga kailangan namin sa darating na bakasyon namin. Meron kaming luma, kaya lang hindi na pwedeng gamitin kasi last trip namin nasira yung wheels ng luggage. So, bumili kami ng bago. Binili lang namin to sa Amazon. Naka-sale siya, parang ganun. So, naka-discount rin tayo ng konti. So, ayan, dalawa. Ganito siya. American Tourism yung name ng luggage. So, yan. Ang ganda ng kulay. Parang purple na mas shiny. Yan.